Hey you guys, Jai Hind all of you. This is Amardeep and very big welcome to all guys. Yes, guys, as you know that we regular connect with you by these videos, guys. Yes, guys, if you remember, we regular connect. Why we connect? Because we work upon many more things like improve knowledge, skills, our knowledge, our skills, not only my you are also guys. Yes, definitely guys, today we discuss about some important topic related to our life. Yes, because guys, we are a doer, we are a producer. Yes, in these thoughts, yes guys, we regular work upon many more times worse guys. Yes, with smartly now. Yes, not only hardly, smartly work, smart approach with hard work guys. Yes, it means like we regular work on upon many more sectors, not only particular one sector. Yes, yes guys, so listen to be very carefully. Yes, because this is the very important, uh, uh, very important related to our life, not only mine, our in the sense of both your and mine. Yes, definitely guys, we regular connect and we regular doing. Today we share with you one thoughts like we work upon AI. Yes, upcoming days, upcoming more 2 or more than 2 years. Yes guys, more than 2 years, it means what is more than 2 years? Actually guys, if you connect international level, like war between any wars, not only wars guys, because I always talking about war, because guys, in this time there is a very uses, I mean, there is a use, very biggest use of AI. Not only war, that is narrative also guys, influence, I mean divert all news, circulated more fake news guys on social media. Yes, upcoming days, remember it, I regular repeat and repeat again, talking about upcoming days guys. This is a very big demand of AI guys. Now I share with you, I also, I promise all of you guys, we not only I, not only you, we both. Yes, regular regular doing efforts, many more efforts with smart approach to doing and getting more knowledge of AIs. Yes, artificial intelligence. Yes guys, upcoming days there is a very big demand of AIs. So think about it. Not only think, do about it, because I again repeat, we are a doer, not only listener. We are a doer, we are a learner. Yes, so now I one thing again, we are a doer and we are a teaching, we are teaching. Yes, we are teaching like AI, also teaching, also learn about it. Yes, definitely. And let's start guys, without any wasting of times, to doing more efforts. This session basically not only one specific particular topic related to like our life and our goal, our nations, I mean extra many more. What is kind of you guys, if you think about your future, then welcome, very big welcome, to do and create from all different, I mean from all to different your future. Yes, yes guys, because nothing is immediately doing. Yes, because success is demand more time and more hard work, more patience, more honesties. Yes, yes guys, so think about it and do particular work around the regular basis. Yes, and upcoming days, we definitely share a particular knowledge on the basis of AI, related AI. What is the level of AI in this time in India, guys? Around many more countries like China, USA, Japan, Russia, Ukraine, these countries are basically more invest on AI, guys. Our India is not around top 5. we are we are on top 10, I think. Yes, top 10 के अंदर हम लोग आ सकते हैं, but guys, top 5 we are not in top 5. So our government not responsible, I mean not take any action. But we take action, guys. We take action to improve our knowledge, not only mine, your also, guys. Remember it, I again repeat that, guys. Upcoming days in future, 2 year, after 2 year, after 3 year, after 1 year, yes, there is a very big demand of AI knowledge, guys. AI knowledge. In this time, no competition, any competition, because everyone is zero knowledge of AI. Everyone's around everyone is zero knowledge. Around 95%, 5% around knowledgeable, guys. Yes, 5% around knowledgeable, but 95% around start up in zero level, guys. And we regular efforts to doing getting more knowledge about AI, and related to AI. Then upcoming days around, we regular doing up to 1 month, 2 month, 6 months, 12 months, 2 year, 4 years, 5 years, we regular doing. Yes, then no anybody to stop to improve our knowledge, to improve our work, to include in work our to include AI in our work, daily works, guys. Yes, you definitely understand it. What is the uses of AI? Think one thing. Listen carefully. Remember, 5 year ago, around 5, not many more, around 5 to 6 year ago, there is a social media. In this time, social media, there is a very circulate many more digital India circulate social media. Yes, think about it. If we regular effort to creating videos, doing more knowledge about sharing on social media platform, like in 2019, 2018, yes, 2017, 2020, 2020, then we have experienced 5 year experience. Yes, in this time 2025 we have 5 year experience. Yes, we have 5 year experience, and I think definitely, guys, definitely, no any doubt, definitely we getting in this time, we getting some income from social media, definitely. But we not doing anything. We only entertainment. We like feel only entertainment, like TikTok in Corona time. Yes, we watch on TikTok reels, shorts, Instagram reels. Yes, shorts, like many more many more social media platform, likes. Yes, I'm in my mind, guys. Yes, likes, TikToks, Moz, many more social media platform to waste your time. Yes, but that time we are only consumer, not producer. If we produce more videos that time, then it result in this time. Because if we regular creating more videos, I think not only videos, guys, anything, we regular creating any videos, any topic related knowledge, physical fitness, like what is going on in this time social media platform, like international level, yes, current affairs, yes, everything, guys. We regular share with you that times around last 5 years. Then this is the level of many years, I mean more than 5 years experience, and definitely we got some income. So some many income, I mean so many more incomes, but no waste on time social media. Yes, we are guys, definitely if you watch till in this time until this video, then definitely listen carefully, guys. Do in this time, yes, the date time doesn't matter. Do start in this time, yes. Note your date and time and do regular efforts to create our future, our goal, our lifestyle, everything. Nothing is impossible, everything is possible in this life. Yes, I definitely support this line, guys, because we are a doer again and again. Only we are a doer and we are a learner also. And upcoming days, guys, we are a very big learner. Many more knowledge we learn, many more knowledge we gain, and definitely we different from all peoples, all person. We improve our knowledge around different from all peoples, guys. Yes, this is the view, this is view, future view, upcoming 2 years, 4 years, 5 years view. Yes, we regular effort, definitely we regular effort doing this anyhow, definitely. So do everything doing, guys. Yes, we are a doer also. Yes, okay, guys, see you tomorrow on next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद all of you guys.